market action then. Optical and data networking products company Tejas Networks announced its listing plans. The company will look to raise approximately 777 crores through its public offer, which will be a combination of fresh issue and an offer for sale. Talking to CNBC TV18's Yash Jain, Sanjay Nayak, the MD and CEO of the company, laid down the company's growth blueprint, also spoke about the opportunities which the government's 10,000 crore BharatNet project would offer. Let's listen in.
We are raising 450 crores in the primary in the company, and then we are selling 2.9 million shares in the secondary at a price band of 250 to 257 rupees. So actually, if you see the total amount of shares which are being offered under OFS contributes around 16 or 17% of the total. So only people are selling about 1/6 of their holding on an average, if you think of. So a lot of the investors who have been there are not selling out or anything. They are just selling a portion of that. And of course, it's reasonable that people have been invested for a while. They're doing that.
How do you plan to use the proceeds from this particular IPO?
So basically, there are two purposes. One is, as I said, we are a technology-driven company, and R&D is our main DNA. So we're going to invest into R&D to make sure that we become more competitive in what we do, and of course, get into adjacent areas of technology that we are in. Again, we of course stick to the core verticals of telecom in that sense. Secondly, we're also going to be paying off our debt in terms of working capital so that we can pretty much be a debt-free company. And then third is the general corporate purpose within which we would be spending into sales and marketing as we go international, because as a product company, we have the products, we've invested into R&D and so on. The more we sell, the better leverage we get. And that's really what we're planning in the international side in particular.
Sanjay, talking about the financials of the company, can you give me some idea in terms of what are the kind of numbers which the company ended FY17 with?
So FY17 on a total basis, we had 920 crores of revenues. But if you take the net revenues, which is net of component sales, which is more of pass-through to our EMS and net of the taxes, we did 822 crores of revenues, which was about a 35% year-on-year growth. Last year was 63 crores profit after tax, which was up from 29 crores the previous year. And we also had a one-time write-off of about 30 crores on R&D, which we would have otherwise capitalized. So if you add that back, it would be around 93 crores of profit after tax, up from 29 the year before.
Government's Digital India program, and under that the BharatNet initiative, the way the government is pushing this whole initiative, how favorably is the company placed, Tejas Networks placed, to really leverage that push which is coming from the government?
So first of all, we're very proud to be associated with BharatNet. So in fact, we have delivered our first phase equipment already. We've got additional orders from the government of India, and we are thankful for that. So we are actually executing quite well on that project. The project has picked up speed, and we are very proud to say that we are one of the main suppliers of equipment for BharatNet. BharatNet is also under what is called the Make in India program, under which there's a policy called preferential market access, where if there's a domestic company which has developed the technology in India, which has a minimum value addition, they will get preference in terms of executing and getting orders from that thing. And we have got business under the PMA policy of Government of India.
All right, just to slide up